Welcome back to our new lesson on list. Lesson 10. Under lesson 10, we are going to learn how to manipulate a list in Python using methods max, min, remove, pop, and clear. So for the first max, it's going to help us to sort out the maximum number in an array, okay, in a list of elements, just like we did previously. The second, min, will help us to pick out the minimum value in our array. And then we'll use remove, which will help us to remove the element at the front. And then pop, or remove can also be used to sort out or to remove a particular element. Okay, then pop will be used to delete the last element entered. Okay, then lastly the function clear will help us to clear or delete everything in a list. So without wasting a lot of our time, we'll move to the programming part. So we'll use this our same code here, but now we'll create a variable. Okay, we'll create a variable called max that will sort out the maximum number in our list. Okay, so we'll just call the variable max. We are going to do the same thing for min. Min to will have list dot min for it to give us the minimum number in our list, and then we'll print the max and the min. So we'll see the maximum number is max. Okay, and the minimum number is min. As simple as that. Okay, as simple as that. So let's run our code and see how it looks like. Okay, 12.5, 13.45, 2.25, 11.11, okay, 17.75. So, line 8, there is an error. Okay, it's a use word. Oh. Okay. I was supposed to put the list inside. Sorry about that. Okay. This is how it was supposed to look like. Okay. Seen my mistake. Maybe I'll put maxi to give mini for the other variable, maxi and mini, since max and min are keywords. So that is it. Let's now see how it looks like after doing the modification. So let's see the list before sorting. Okay, we don't need it. The maximum is 20.75. So this is the list, and we see that the maximum is really 20.75, and the minimum number is 10.75. So it works. It does what we want for max and min. So now we are going to use remove. Let's try the other functions. Remove. Okay. So the function remove, just had power failure. That's why it's taking me some time. Okay, so the function remove now. Let's see how we can use that. We are going to enter an element, say 17, and then we'll remove the first occurrence of the element 17, or any occurrence of the element 17 in our list. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll call on our list, and then in bracket, dot remove, and then we'll put the element we want to delete. Okay, the element we want to delete, then at the end we'll print our list. Okay, and see if there is any change. Okay, after deleting 17. So I'm going to enter so we'll say the list after deleting. After deleting 17. So let's see if there's going to be a change. Okay, so I will enter 17 twice. Okay, in the list of elements. So okay, I'll enter 17, and each occurrence of 17 will be deleted after. So let's see. The list is this. Oh, it has deleted just the first appearance of 17. Okay, it did not delete all the appearances of 17. Okay, so that's the use of the function delete. Okay, so it deleted the first. So we are also going to see how to pop an element. Okay, to pop an element, and the use of pop, it removes the element at a particular index. Yes, you can remove an element at a particular index, and most of the times it does that by default. By default, it deletes by the last element. Okay, so we are going to do that. Maybe I'll call a variable last. Okay. So so use pop. Okay. So the list after deleting, I will put last, because I want the use of that last was to pick the last element. Okay, so let's see what it does now. So it will delete the last element by default. Okay, so let me just put any number. Okay, so now the last element is 14. So it says the list is this. The list after deleting 14 is, you see that 14 is no more there. So pop deletes the last element entered. Okay, So we'll move to clear now. The last function will be clear. Okay, the use of clear is to delete everything that is in the list. Okay, so I will use clear. I will just use clear and it will delete everything. It ends the list, makes the list to be empty. Okay, so the list is, so let's see. So let's check and see if there is going to be a change. I will enter this element. Okay, so you see the list is this, and then after using clear, as you can see here, after using clear, the list is now empty. So that is it about the functions pop, remove, max, min, and clear. So in our next class now, we'll move to functions. Thank you very much and see you in our next class. Remember to always subscribe please, subscribe, like, comment and share our videos. See you in our next class and God bless you.